In each of us, we will encounter difficulties and challenges in our lives. These difficult times may make us feel lost, depressed, and even doubt ourselves. However, self-confidence is like a beacon, which can lead us out of the darkness and regain strength and hope. Everything comes from the heart, and the heart is the truth. Confidence comes from the heart, and the heart is where we really are. When we can cultivate our inner confidence, we can achieve real strength and wisdom. Don't doubt your nature. You have unlimited potential. Each of us has infinite potential. Don't doubt our own ability and value. As long as we believe in ourselves and exert our inner strength, confidence will become our most powerful weapon. When we start with compassion and love for others, we will gain endless strength and confidence. True confidence is based on compassion and care. When we have good intentions and put the happiness of others as the top priority, we will gain endless strength and confidence. Confidence is not a blind belief, but based on deep awareness and understanding. True confidence is not blind belief, but based on deep awareness and understanding. When we deeply understand ourselves and the world through meditation and conscious practice, our confidence will become more firm and powerful. Confide is an inherent firmness and stability, which transcends superficial difficulties and challenges. Confidence is an inherent firmness and stability that can help us overcome superficial difficulties and challenges. When we have confidence in our hearts, we can face various challenges and changes in life with calmness and wisdom. In Buddhist teachings, the emphasis on inner peace and wisdom is the key to overcoming difficulties. Through internal outlook and self-introspection, you can understand your own essence, so as to build firm self-confidence. This self-confidence comes from the recognition of one's own value and a deep understanding of life. Self-confidence does not come from external achievements or the praise of others, but from inner peace and wisdom. When we can see our essence and understand our inner strength, we can remain firm in the face of challenges. Self-confidence comes from self-knowledge and satisfaction, not external pursuit. Buddhist teachings emphasize the impermanence and change of life. When we can understand and accept this, we can stay calm in adversity and draw strength from it. Self-confidence is not only the courage to face challenges, but also a deep understanding of the nature of life. This understanding enables us to remain firm in the face of difficulties and not be easily knocked down. Compassion and strength. Compassion in Buddhism is an important source of self-confidence. When we can be full of love and care for others, our inner strength will also grow. This power enables us to maintain a positive and optimistic attitude in the face of difficulties, and is willing to lend a helping hand to others. This kind of mutual assistance and care is the concrete embodiment of self-confidence. Self-confidence is an important weapon for us to face the challenges of life. Through introspection and self-introspection, we can understand our own essence and build firm self-confidence. Buddhist wisdom tells us that self-confidence comes from inner peace and wisdom, not from external achievements. Under the guidance of Buddhist wisdom, let's find our inner strength, get out of difficulties, and face the light.